How to use Apple Maps offline. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Apple Maps offline, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to download Apple Maps for offline usage, it's actually quite very simple. After you launch the Apple Maps app, just tap on your Apple profile from here, and then right here you'll find an option that is offline maps. So you can tap on offline maps. Now in my region this offline maps is not available, so you can switch to Google Maps, but if you are in a region such as the US or UK or Europe, this could definitely be available, so you can download a specific area of your Maps app and then you will be able to download those Maps application to your device. This way you can go ahead and then use Apple Maps offline. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.